All about Rizal's family. The Rizal is considered one of the biggest families during their time. Domingo Lamco, the family's paternal ascendant, was a full-blooded Chinese who came to the Philippines from Amoy, China in the closing years of the 17th century and married a Chinese half-breed by the name of Inés de la Rosa. Researchers revealed that the Mercado Rizal family had also traces of Japanese, Spanish, Malay, and even Negrito blood aside from Chinese. Jose Rizal came from a 13-member family consisting of his parents, Francisco Mercado II and Teodora Alonso Yolanda, and 9 sisters and 1 brother. Family tree of Rizal, paternal and maternal ancestors. Francisco Mercado II, father of Jose Rizal. Domingo Lamco, Francisco great-grandfather. Inés de la Rosa, Francisco great-grandmother. Francisco Mercado, Francisco's grandfather. Cirilla Bernacha, Francisco's grandmother. Juan Mercado, Francisco's father. Cirilla Alejandro, Francisco's mother. Teodora Alonso, mother of Jose Rizal. Eugenio Ursua, Teodora's great-grandfather. Benigna, Teodora's great-grandmother. Manuel de Quintos, Teodora's grandfather. Regina, Teodora's grandmother. Lorenzo Alberto Alonso, Teodora's father. Brigida Quintos, Teodora's mother. Teodora had 11 children with Francisco. These are the children of Francisco and Teodora: Saturnina Rizal, Jose Rizal, Marciano Rizal, Concepcion Rizal, Narcisa Rizal, Josefa Rizal, Olympia Rizal, Trinidad Rizal, Lucia Rizal, Soledad Rizal, and Maria Rizal. Saturnina Rizal, 1850 to 1913, eldest child of the Rizal. Marciano Rizal, 1851 to 1930, only brother of Jose Rizal and the second child. Narcisa Rizal, 1852 to 1939, the third child. Olympia Rizal, 1855 to 1887, the fourth child. Lucia Rizal, 1857 to 1919, the fifth child. Maria Rizal, 1859 to 1945, the sixth child. Jose Rizal, 1861 to 1886, the second son and the seventh child. Concepcion Rizal, 1862 to 1865, the eighth child. Josefa Rizal, 1865 to 1945, the ninth child. Trinidad Rizal, 1868 to 1951, the 10th child. Soledad Rizal, 1870 to 1929, the youngest child. The family of Rizal. Francisco Mercado, father of Jose Rizal, who was the youngest of 13 offsprings of Juan and Cirilla Mercado, born in Binyan, Laguna on April 18, 1818, studied in San Jose College, Manila, and died in Manila. Teodora Alonso, mother of Jose Rizal, who was the second child of Lorenzo Alonso and Brigida de Quintos. She studied at the Colegio de Santa Rosa. She was a business-minded woman, courteous, religious, hardworking, and will-read. She was born in Santa Cruz, Manila on November 14, 1827, and died in 1913 in Manila. Saturnina Rizal, eldest child of the Rizal Alonso marriage, married Manuel Timoteo Hidalgo of Tanawan, Batangas. Marciano Rizal, only brother of Jose Rizal and the second child, studied at San Jose College in Manila. Became a farmer, later a general of the Philippine Revolution. Narcisa Rizal, the third child, married Antonio Lopez at Morong Rizal, a teacher and musician. Olympia Rizal, the fourth child, married Sylvester Orbago, died in 1887 from childbirth. Lucia Rizal, the fifth child, married Matriano Herbosa. Maria Rizal, the sixth child, married Daniel Faustino Cruz of Binyan, Laguna. Jose Rizal, the second son and the seventh child. He was executed by the Spaniards on December 30, 1896. Concepcion Rizal, the eighth child, died at the age of 3. Josefa Rizal, the ninth child, an epileptic, died a spinster. Trinidad Rizal, the 10th child, died a spinster and the last of the family to die. Soledad Rizal, the youngest child, married Pantaleon Quintero. And this is the family of Rizal. I hope that you learn a lot on this video. Thank you for watching. Paalam!